The subject of this video is to create a flow that will trigger when a file is added and you want it approved. So let's go to the waffle, go to PowerAutomate, go to templates, go to approvals, select that template. Now let's make sure that all the authentication is green, and then click create, and then it'll be asked to point to a team. Let's go mountain bikes. And then we'll do the documents library. There's only one there, I think. And then we'll select the folder, which is the documents. It's Grammarly acting up on me. Just scroll down. There we go, shared documents. And then we'll just enter myself as the approver. So type in the email, click create. Okay. Great, so no red indicators of any problems. Looks good. So let's go to Teams. We'll go to the mountain bike team. We'll go under the general channel, upload a document. Okay, that'll create an event to trigger the flow. And once it's uploaded, we'll then go to Outlook Web, check my inbox, do a quick refresh, and there it is. So explore all the templates. There's some really great stuff in there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.